You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this German film score composer and music producer. For more names from music and German, make sure to stay tuned. German pronunciation: Hans Zimmer. Hans Zimmer in English. His name is usually pronounced as Hans Zimmer or Hans Zimmer. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.